Hey, Guy Raz, meet my new friend. He doesn't talk much, but he sure can toot.
Mindy!
Explore the body's inner workings with Wow in the World, the amazing human body. This interactive glow-in-the-dark model gives you X-ray vision into the hows and wows of the body's major functions. Assemble a circulatory system model with the help of the bonus included syringe, and feel how the heart moves blood through the veins as you press on the pump. Marvel at how the lungs expand and contract when you pull on the rubber diaphragm. Flex your knowledge as you see how the muscles and bones work together to move the arm. Journey through the twists and turns of the digestive system by guiding a ball through the digestive tract maze. You can even hear what happens when gas leaves the body. Scan the QR code in the guide to access exclusive wow facts from Wow in the World podcast hosts Guy Raz and Mindy Thomas.
Throughout your lifetime, your heart will pump on average the equivalent of 1 million barrels of blood throughout your body.
Find out how you operate with Wow in the World, the amazing human body. For curious kids ages 4 and up.
From Wow in the World
And Thames and Cosmos.